OpenAI just dropped GPT-5, and it's not exaggeration to say this changes everything. This isn't just a small update or a shiny new interface, it's a total paradigm shift. This thing can build apps, write code, summarize videos, hold conversations, analyze images, and even help run entire businesses. Basically, it's the Swiss Army knife of intelligence, and it's available to anyone with Wi-Fi. When I first tested it, it felt like strapping an entire research department to my laptop. But here's the crazy part. You don't need to be some Silicon Valley coder or tech wizard to make real money from this. You don't even need experience. In fact, I'm going to break down 3 beginner-friendly ways to turn GPT-5 into an actual income stream, starting this month. These are the same exact methods that people in my community are already using to make anywhere from a few $100s on the side to several thousand per month, all powered by this one tool. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you where to find free templates and prompts so you can start instantly. Method 1. Become an AI educator. Every time a new AI model drops, there's panic in the business world. Managers start Googling, will GPT-5 replace my job? Or how do I use GPT-5 for marketing? That confusion, that's your opportunity. You can become their translator, the friendly human who explains what this technology can actually do for them. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I just learned what GPT-5 was 5 minutes ago. Relax, you don't need to be a genius. You just need to know slightly more than the average confused manager. Here's how you do it. First, spend a few hours watching YouTube tutorials on GPT-5, just like this one. Then, use GPT-5 itself to summarize what you've learned and build a simple workshop outline, something like how to save 10 hours a week using GPT-5. Next, ask GPT-5 to turn that outline into a professional slide deck using a free tool such as Tome or Gamma.app. Now you have a complete presentation in less than a day. Offer to do your first session for free to get testimonials and feedback. Once you've refined it, start charging $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 per workshop. Companies love this because it's cheaper than hiring consultants or extra staff, and it helps them stay competitive. You're helping them do more with less, and they'll happily pay for that. Over time, you can turn your slides into an online course, a paid webinar, or a pre-made template kit. My friend Josh did exactly this. He started teaching simple GPT workshops in his hometown, and within 1 month, he made $12,000. Not bad for someone who, 2 months earlier, thought prompt engineering was a Minecraft skill. The beauty of this approach is leverage. You're getting paid not for coding or building, but for understanding and explaining. As long as GPT keeps evolving, people will always need guides who can make sense of it. Method 2. Become a software composer. Now let's move on to something that sounds intimidating, but isn't. Becoming what I like to call a software composer. You don't need to know how to code. Think of yourself as the architect. GPT-5 is your construction crew that never sleeps and never asks for lunch breaks. Here's the thing. Small businesses everywhere run on chaos. Messy spreadsheets, disconnected apps, and manual data entry. You can be the person who fixes that. Say to a local bakery, what if I built you a tool that automatically tracks sales, expenses, and inventory? Then open GPT-5 and type, create a dashboard for a bakery that tracks daily sales, costs, and remaining stock. Within minutes, GPT-5 generates the code, interface, and logic for you. You can use no-code platforms like Glide, Bubble, or Cursor IDE to polish it. No programming required. Then you sell that finished tool for anywhere between $500 and $10,000, depending on how custom it is. This is exactly what one creator, Noah, did. He was a music teacher, not a programmer. He started asking GPT to build simple dashboards for local businesses, things like lead trackers and client portals. In 1 month, he made $15,000, 15 grand from describing problems and letting GPT build the solutions. The key insight is this. If you can describe a problem clearly, GPT-5 can build a solution. It's like being a film director. You don't need to know how to run the camera. You just need to know what the scene should look like. GPT-5 handles the rest. As more businesses realize they need custom AI tools, people who can compose these systems using GPT will be in massive demand. You're not coding, you're orchestrating, and that skill will only grow in value. Method 3. Start an AI automation agency. Now for the big one, the strategy where people are making serious full-time money. AI automation agencies. I like to call these digital clone factories. Every business, no matter how advanced, is filled with repetitive tasks, replying to the same emails, updating spreadsheets, scheduling calls, processing forms, onboarding clients. GPT-5 can handle almost all of that with the right automations. And the best part? You don't need to code a single line. Tools like VoiceFlow, 8n, and Make.com let you build automations using simple drag-and-drop boxes. If you can draw a flowchart, you can automate a business. Here's how you start. Learn the basics from free tutorials on YouTube. Build 1 or 2 automations for practice. Maybe something like an AI that replies to customer inquiries or a system that summarizes meeting notes automatically. Then, reach out to local businesses or people in your network and offer to set one up for free in exchange for a testimonial. Once you have a few success stories, start charging $1,000 to $5,000 per setup. Here's a real-world example. A guy named Nate began automating email replies for real estate agents. Within 3 months, his side hustle turned into a 6-figure business. He now teaches others how to do it too. Think about how huge this can get. Every company wants to reduce costs and improve efficiency. By building GPT-5 automations, you're saving them hours, maybe days, of manual work. You can even create your own GPT-5 agents that handle customer support, leads, or appointment booking 24/7. Imagine selling an AI assistant that never takes a day off. That's not science fiction, that's happening right now. The automation industry is exploding. In a few years, nearly every small business will have AI running part of its operations. The question is, are you going to be the one building those systems or the one being replaced by them? So, there you have it. 3 simple but powerful ways to make money with GPT-5 right now. Number 1, teach it. Become an AI educator and help others understand this new technology. Number 2, build with it. Use GPT-5 to design simple tools and apps for businesses that desperately need them. And number 3, automate with it. Create systems that save people time and charge for the efficiency you deliver. You don't need to be a coding genius, a marketing expert, or a millionaire. You just need to take action before everyone else wakes up. GPT-5 has leveled the playing field. For the first time, an individual with curiosity and a laptop can compete with entire companies. You can either stand on the sidelines watching the AI revolution happen, or you can start building something of your own. The AI gold rush is here, and the people who win are the ones who start digging first. If you want my full tutorial on building GPT-5 automations and AI agents, click the link that's popping up right now. And if you'd rather start by learning how to build GPT-powered tools and dashboards, click the other one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which method you're going to try first. Because let's be honest, the AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And the only real question left is, are you going to be the one mining it, or just the one watching the miners on YouTube?